Want to attract international clients and showcase your multilingual abilities? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to add languages to your Fiverr profile and expand your potential client base. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Adding languages to your profile isn't just about listing what you speak. It's about opening doors to global opportunities and showing clients you can communicate effectively in their preferred language. Let's diversify your language skills. First, navigate to your profile editing page by clicking your profile picture and selecting Profile. Scroll down until you find the Languages section, which is typically located near your skills and education information. Click Add New Language to begin. You'll see a drop-down menu with numerous language options. Select the language you want to add from this comprehensive list. Fiverr supports everything from common languages like Spanish and French to less common ones. After selecting the language, you'll need to indicate your proficiency level. Choose honestly from the options: basic, conversational, fluent, or native/bilingual. Being accurate here is crucial. It manages client expectations and builds trust. A crucial pro tip: prioritize languages that are relevant to your services and target market. If you're offering translation services, list all languages you can work with. For other services, focus on languages spoken by your ideal clients. Quality matters more than quantity. You can add multiple languages by repeating the process. Arrange them strategically with your strongest or most relevant languages first. This creates an immediate impression of your language capabilities for browsing clients. And just like that, you've transformed your profile into a globally friendly hub for international clients. Language skills can be your competitive edge in the marketplace. If this guide helped you showcase your multilingual talents, please give it a like. Which languages have you added to your profile? Share your language combination in the comments below. To continue optimizing your presence, subscribe for our next video on how to complete Fiverr onboarding. Thanks for watching.